Welcome back. In this episode, Terry and I go in search of waterfalls, and our trip starts at the Burles Ford Campground in Sumter National Forest. The Burles Ford Campground is a small campground for primitive dry camping only, with fire pits, benches, and food hangers to keep the bears out of the campers' tasties. The first waterfall we're looking for is the King Creek Fall. It is a 1.4-mile moderately trafficked, easy trail that is located right off of the campground. It is well marked and easy to follow. See any Bigfoot yet?
Nope.
Our first glimpse at the falls. After our first hero shots of the day, it's time to move on to our next falls, which I believe is called Spoonauger Falls. I believe that's the name. But we have got to get there first by traveling along the Chattooga River. The Chattooga Trail follows the Chattooga River. It is 21.6 miles point to point. We're not hiking the whole 21.6 miles, just about 6 miles of it, but it's still a beautiful walk. Generally considered a moderately challenging route, it takes an average of 9 hours and 6 minutes to complete. This trail is great for backpacking, camping, and fishing, and it's unlikely you'll encounter many other people while exploring. But that wasn't true for us. We ran into a lot of people. The trail is open year-round and is very beautiful to visit at any time. Next destination on our hike is Spoonauger Falls. Barely read the sign. Elliott Rock. This is the trail we're looking for. I doubt this is the falls. Now, I could be mistaken, but this might be Bigfoot hair. Set back into a hillside and surrounded by an explosion of shrubbery. Spoonauger Falls runs down a stepped rock face in a broad sheet. This is the falls we're looking for. The 50-foot high waterfall is among the more popular in this area of the Chattooga River watershed, in no small part due to the easy 20-minute hike. And like its cousin, King Creek Falls, this waterfall is camera-friendly. On our drive out from the hikes, we came across this roadside marker commemorating an airplane crash of a B-25C that happened on March 10th, 1943. Just across the road from this marker lies the crash site, where these brave men gave their lives for the service of our country. That's about the end of this video. Tune in next time when you hear Craig say, "Ow, that hurt."